Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a full soft glam look. I've already primed my eyelids and I'm going in with a neutral brown tone all over my eyelid, and with this look I'm only using three shadows. So after I blend this out over my lid, we're going to go in with a darker brown on the outer corners of my lids and make sure those are nicely blended together, and then we'll add that third shade, and that'll pretty much be it for the eye as far as eyeshadow. I am using Juvia's Place, the coffee shop palette, so I was able to achieve this look with just one palette. So right here I'm just using leftover eyeshadow primer that was on the brush to kind of do like a soft cut crease. And then we'll add that third shadow, which is like a white shade, the light color shade.
Argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grown when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
Now we're moving on to the face. I'm going in with my HD Makeup Forever foundation. I think this one's about replaced my NARS Soft Matte. That is like one of my absolute favorite foundations, but I've been wearing this one lately and I really like how it looks on my skin, and yeah, the coverage is great and the match is pretty good. Then next I'm going to do cream contour. And then put a little concealer under my eyes and up my upper lip. Usually I do this before I do foundation, but it was too late. I had already put the foundation on, so yeah. Just for a little extra coverage in those areas. We're going to blend out the contour and the concealer, and then add our cream blush and blend that out as well.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you.
Now we're just adding concealer to brighten the under eye and or highlight the places that we want to. We'll blend that out as well.
Your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now we're just going to set all the areas that we use a cream or a liquid with a powder. So right now I'm just setting my under eyes, and then I'll set the rest of my face.
Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get open. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these records too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. Make a braid, this nigga.
So now I'm just doing my brows. I use the Morphe brow pencils. I think this one's in the color Java, but I'll have all the products and stuff listed in the description box. After we do our brows, we're going to do our lashes and our lip, and we'll pretty much be done with this look.
I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. And the rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke guns and choppers and effing for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I'm gonna see it drop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we second up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OTF, look like the new BM up. They gon' jump, got phones in my right or left. And you talk like the car ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pockets, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. Wanna stop because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky slowly, smoothly, in a prison. Trying to spit your fire, bitch, you can't know. I'm but the game into his empty. Because I spit the flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. I fought with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I gon'
Well, that completes this look. I must say the face is sitting. It looks good. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All the products will be listed in the description box. And yeah, let me know what you think of this look, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.